All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Tuesday afternoon. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed, guys. As Bitcoin finally came down into the box we were waiting for, hit the take profit on the dang short trade, and we are getting the bounce. And I have taken a long trade from the support resistance flip, and we are looking to hit a few take profits on this, guys. So we are live. We are here. We are not in fear. We are inspecting the price with the monocles on the chart. All right. And we're going to discuss what's happening. Apparently, we've got some very crazy news going on. Fundamental things messing with the price, pushing the price here and there and everywhere. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Ben. Shout out to Core X. All right, shout out to Gen X Crypto. He says, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Shout out to Neo. Shout out to Neo. Shout out to JJ McDizzle. Shout out to He-Man. Shout out to Mike McCarthy, who says, welcome back. Huge shout out to Robin. Max extensions reached from the 66 high, long from the exact bottom. Nice. Shout out to you, long from the exact bottom. All right, we're going to be discussing this, guys. Obviously, if you were here on my last stream, I front ran the dang long trade by not sticking to my strategy, by not waiting for my levels. I took a long here, took a $1,000 loss. All right, but now we are back in it again, and I've made the loss back plus some, and we've also made $2,600 on our short trade from last week. So shout out to everybody in the chat. If we can get 1,000 likes, we'll be giving away $1,000 in half an hour. It has to happen in half an hour, y'all. All right, who do we got in here? Gen X Crypto. News saying one man was killed. Shout out to A. Hello from Jordan. Man, may the Lord protect everybody involved in everything that's going on. All right, it's crazy stuff. May the Lord have mercy and favor. Shout out to OG Blockchain. Shout out to Kasim. Shout out to Touche here again. Shout out to Samuel Cave. Shout out to Chaz McMahon. All right. Shout out to John Weems. Shout out to Mr. Pump-A-Lot. Time to pump, baby. Shout out to Max Cherry. I'm so upset I got liquidated. Dang. Oh. I'm so sorry to hear that. It happens. All right. Shout out to Alam Ansari. Yes, we've got bearish. Allegedly, I mean, people say it's bearish fundamentals. All right, here we go. What happened? Apparently, we've got Iranian. I mean, this is what it says on the media. All right, I don't know what's going on because I'm not there, but apparently, Iranian missiles are being shot at Israel. That is apparent, and I know also last night, apparently, Israel went into Lebanon. There's a lot of crazy stuff happening right now. As far as geopolitical events goes, all right? So let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's discuss what is happening right now. All right, let's talk about things on the chart. First of all, we're going to go to the 4-hour time frame here. As we know, the Bitcoin price, we have been waiting and waiting really to take out these lows right here at about 62,300. And in addition to this, you know, if we go ahead and we take the box of the area that we're basically looking for, and earlier in the stream we had drilled it down more into this zone right here, right? We've been waiting for this for quite some time. This is a very, very important support resistance flip, because if we take it all the way back to June 2024, or even back farther than that, honestly. Oh man, can you imagine if I reversed my position trying to stretch out a box? We can see this level has been support resistance flip going pretty much all the way back to March 2024. And as we come down here right now to the level, we are in fact getting a bit of a bounce after a pretty swift dump to the downside. All right, and yeah, the most important level I'd say that we had right here was this right here, the support resistance flip. Bitcoin loves to come down and backtest these support resistance flips. So we had this level right here at about 61,335 from this last high that we made on Wednesday, September 18th. And now we are getting a little bit of a bounce. So what needs to happen right now for Bitcoin to see more upside? Well, if we want to see Bitcoin see more upside, we must right now reclaim 62.6, because that is the last support that we had on the way down. So If the Bitcoin price can now reclaim this white line that I have on the chart here, well, then that opens up the door actually for us to come all the way back into this range, potentially even coming all the way up to $65,500 at these highs, right? The support resistance flip. So right now we're watching, we are waiting to see what is going to happen. We're going to go to our 15-minute time frame quickly. My next take profit obviously is going to be 62,600, where I'm going to be looking to close more profits on this trade. And I've already locked in right now a TP1. So we will see what happens. So far, there's no major signs of strength. This is, by definition, a knife cash because, well, essentially, we're in a downtrend all day. We bounced from a support level, but we have yet to even make a higher high on the chart. So, in my opinion, this is not any sign of strength until we can reclaim $62,625. We come over to TradingView, and the one thing I would like to say is there is a chance that if the 1 hour gives us the green dot, we could see a little bit more follow through to the upside on the 24-minute time frame. As we came down to the key level of support, that support resistance flip, we can see locally here, we have a BitBoy butt cheek pattern, right? BitBoy butt cheeks, these big BitBoy green dots down here, in conjunction with the uneven butt cheek pattern, big, juicy on the left, skinny on the right. We go ahead, take the cheeks, we go ahead, post them on the chart right here, and you can see, wow, would you look at that? Oh my goodness, the cheeks match up perfectly. Not only do we have the BitBoy butt cheek pattern, but we can see, and we were seeing this earlier, money flow coming up here, potentially for a move to the upside. And if you want to be real technical, this technically speaking is, I would say, a large bullish divergence. Now, again, this is not bullish yet at all until we can reclaim 62.6, right? So right now, we are making a what looks to be like a lower high here. So we do need to be prepared for another lower low to come in, all right? So this right here is a key support resistance flip. This could be a bottom. We do have some bullish divergences, but there's no real major sign of strength until we can come back inside of the range, which is going to be up here at $62,625. And once we come back up above that, well, we can just simply look at the volume that we have here. We could pull the fixed range volume profile. Yep, once we come up above that value area low at our 62.6, then there's no reason why we can't come back up to, I'd say like $65. About $65. You know, I'm going to use my Bill Gates voice for now. We're going to come and we could potentially come back up to, yeah, that $65,000 support resistance zone, baby. All right, so right now on the 5-minute time frame, let's see what's going on. We've got a few candles to the upside. Now we're starting to turn purple. All right, we're going to check out market Cipher B on the low time frames. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. All right, let's check out the 4-hour chart. Let's see what we got going on in the 4 hours. So we're going to put our key support resistance line so that we can tell what is going on. All right, boom. That's the key support resistance flip, right? And so let's zoom in, see what it looked like on the 1 minute as we hit that level. As we hit the level on the 1 minute, we did see money flow getting higher. Let's check out our 5-second time frame as we hit that level. Did we even get a 5-second time frame confirmation here? Very curious. Yes, technically speaking, we did get a 5-minute scalp entry as we took this low. And let's check out our 6-minute time frame. What do we have on the 6-minute? 6-minute time frame is giving us some divergence here, bullish divergence. We got bullish divergence as well on the 12-minute, which is now confirmed. 24-minute as well confirmed. Money flow is iffy here, guys. I have to be honest with you. Overall, on the basis of the daily market Cipher B red dot, I would be cautious looking for another high right now. I would say that we should be expecting more bearish for the rest of the week. But if we're going to get a retest here, today and tomorrow, right? Because when news events happen, it catches a lot of people off guard in the market. Let's just say the green dot on the 1 hour confirms and we get a surprise pump to the upside. Then what are we looking for? Honestly, I think we could easily get a move up to the $65,000 area. We go ahead, pull the fib from the high to the low, and you can see that the Fibonacci golden pocket is right around that 64.5 area. So yeah, I'd say if we get more upside for the rest of the day or night when Asia opens, this would be the target where we could then look for another drive to the downside, something like this, and then something potentially coming down to the next major target to the downside, if we're going to continue now in a downtrend, would have to be the Fibonacci golden pocket from low to high at around 57, 58. Oh man, that's getting scary and berry. Scary and berry. That is getting scary and berry. All right. So let's see what happens with this. Again, I just want to see, can we even change market structure locally? Let's take a look at the order flow right now and see what happened here as Bitcoin has gotten that move and that bounce. So we had about 11 million longs opening up here. We had a big decrease of open interest. Let's see. Yeah, we had a lot of liquidations down here as well. And now we're actually squeezing some shorts. You can see on the way up. Let's pull up the 5-minute chart and see what we got going on. Yeah, so this move to the upside so far, we've seen a few longs opening up here. After seeing the bounce, we got some longs opening up. And we're just below the VWAP. If we don't even have the strength, guys, to touch the VWAP, that is not very strong looking, all right? Not very strong if we cannot even touch VWAP. So what we're also going to do is we're going to pull a fib from low to high, all right? We're going to pull the fib from low to high. Hopefully I don't start to cry as we pull the fib from low to high. And let's actually pull a fib from high to low. Man, I hate how ByBit doesn't show that thing. Okay, so we're rejecting from the local golden pocket. That is why we are... There we go. That is why we're finding resistance here. This is our first resistance, this golden pocket. If we can reclaim this golden pocket, guys, then we can finally come above 62.6. That will give us a potential to reach our $64,500 area of resistance. Right? We got to take it level to level. Right now, we came to support. We get a bounce. If we can reclaim the key resistance of 62, basically, yeah, these old lows here. So we got to reclaim 62.5, and that will, honestly, that could very well easily open up the door for a move. Potentially, we reclaim 62.5, and we're looking for another 3%, which is absolutely massive, considering Bitcoin hasn't been doing anything lately, right? So... major shout out to everybody in the chat. Asius is going to dump. FOMO Sapien says dump it. CryptoFace is suspended again. What the heck, man? Why are they messing with CryptoFace, man? CryptoFace don't deserve to be messed with. All right. Shout out to ZZ Poppy Loves Z, who says I liked. Guys, if everyone likes the stream right now, in the next 15 minutes, we can absolutely be giving away 1,000 USDT. So let's see if we can get the likes that we need. All right. Shout out to Whale Talk. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Shout out to the Top. Shout out to Sin. He says better than Scary and Harry. All right. Gen X says missile attack over. Nothing to see. All right. Well, you know what that means, baby. Let's pump it then, right? Let's pump it. Now, let's not forget what happened the last time Bitcoin got a major support resistance flip. I mean, Bitcoin loves these support resistance flips. You know, look at this, right? We came down to this last high, the support resistance flip. I mean, technically, we could take it from all the way back here. A major support resistance flip. That's why we're getting the bounce. We have seen this before. Where did we see this before? We actually saw this at the low right here. Right down here. Boom. We got the bounce right from 49.045. And so, it's because we had this previous high right here. This is something not quite the same, but similar on a much smaller time frame. Right? Similar on a much smaller time frame. So if this doesn't hold, well, we could be looking down toward that next Fibonacci golden pocket. We could also pull a fib from low to high here and see, if you look carefully, we front ran a 618, right? We actually front ran a golden pocket right here at 60,883. So what does this mean? This means, depending on what happens right here, especially if we get a move taking out these highs, we could look for something like this, right? We could look for something like that, especially if the money flow continues to come to the upside. And if we get some kind of bullish divergence forming on the 12-minute time frame as we come down to the Fibonacci golden pocket. So that is something else that we could be looking for certain, if we get that move. So let's check out, again, order flow. People are saying we got bearish CVD forming. Let's check it out. Do we have bearish CVD? Do we have bearish CVD? Not really. Not really. Not really. We don't really have much of anything going on right now. We don't have much of anything going on right now, to be honest with you. We ain't got much of nothing right now, to be honest with you. But we did have a few people short at the bottom. Oh, my goodness. All right. Now, let's see. Is this an upside down head and shoulders pattern on the trend reversal chart? I don't know. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, Bitcoin. Come on, come on, come on. Shout out to Cryptorian. He says that long's about to get wiped out again. Dang it, Cryptorian. All right. CryptoFace is literally the goat of trading. Yeah, dude is nuts. Dude is in the groove right now, seriously. Shout out to CryptoFace. I don't know why they keep banning his channel. All right, Euro USD is pumping. All right, let's check out Euro USD right now. Euro USD. I don't usually look at Forex pairs, but let's check it out. All right, Euro USD getting the old pump. All right, the last hour and a half has been a small move to the upside after a catastrophic move to the downside. About 8.8% to the downside, and man, a massive 0.18% move to the upside. All right, so let's see how Bitcoin wants to do right now, as we are potentially looking for a bit of a move up for the rest of the night, the rest of the day. Potentially coming up to $64,500 if we can reclaim the very key resistance right now of 62.6. All right, 62.6 is very, very key. If we can reclaim 62.6, then I'd say we could look for a move up to 64.5 within the next half day or so, leading to around Asia Open, which is going to happen in about 6 hours. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Both are about to turn into bears very soon. All right, make sure to like the stream, guys. If everyone likes the stream, we'll be giving away $1,000. We still have about 15 minutes. 15 minutes until we reach our time limit for getting the likes. All right, 62.7 is a high volume node. Yep, so if we reclaim it, Ben, then we're going to pump, baby. We reclaim it and we are going to pump. All right, here we go. Here we go. Bitcoin attempting to reclaim the 618. And then 62,625 is also the 786. So we're going to be looking for our move up to here where we're going to be taking another TP up there. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see if we can't hit our TP at 62.6, baby. All right. We're trying to go for it. All right. It's been a weird day flopping and groping. Shout out to Butt Senator. But, Senator, what about Blub on SUI? I don't know. What about it? Let's check it out. Blub on SUI. Blub on SUI? I don't know. Is this SUI? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not an expert on these things, my friend, but thank you for the super chat. Is this Blub on SUI? I don't know. What about it? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what to say about this chart. I have nothing to say about it. No support, no resistance. I don't know. But all I do know is it's so dang cheap. You put like $1,000 in here, you either lose $1,000 or maybe, you know, if the price just goes up, yeah, a couple $1,000% like these coins tend to do. I don't know, man. I don't know. All right, Bitcoin. Here we go. We're trying to break through the 618. This is make it or break it. Let's check out the order flow. First, let's check out Market Cipher B. Let's see how she looks on the 1 minute time frame. All right, Market Cipher. She looks like she wants to come up a little bit more here. Money flow on the 1 minute getting a little bit higher. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Look at the money flow on the 1 minute. Let's go to the 6 minute. 6 minute, how she's looking on the 6 minute. Momentum coming up. Money flow coming up a little bit on the 6 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute. 1 minute, how we're looking on 1 minute. Money flow coming up. Momentum, we're about to curve down. Maybe we get another little pump to the upside. We're going to come over to the order flow right now and see how she's looking. Uh-oh. Longs are closing out. They're getting fickle. All right, we're going to go to the 5 minute. 5 minute fickle. All right, here we go. Are we going to come up to VWAP? VWAP, we got major confluences at our next area of resistance. We have the VWAP. All right. We have the 786. All right. Can we hit this area? Guys, we reclaim 62.6. That is the doorway to higher prices. We cannot even touch 62.6. That's the doorway to lower prices. Hold above 62.6 is a change of structure. Come on, Bitcoin. We're retesting the 618. The 618 Fibonacci. Right here, the 618. Our high school crush, 618. 618. Will you go out with me? Will you go out with me, 618? Usually she says no. She says, Jason, I don't like you like that, Jason. I said, 618, I thought we were going to get matching Ben coin tattoos and live happily ever after off our meme coin gain. She said, Jason, no. I don't like you like that. And she rejected me. How's it going? Looks like maybe she's going to go out with me now. All right. Last time I asked her out, I said, 618, you want to go out for pizza? She said, Jason, I'm a vegan. I can't eat cheese. I said, well, you can get it without cheese. She said, Jason, I'm gluten-free. I don't eat bread. I said, 618, that's insane. You don't eat bread? She said, yeah, there's this secret thing called gluten that can kill you. I said, I didn't know about this, 618. Well, there's a vegan gluten-free pizza place that just opened up in town, guys. Vegan gluten-free pizza place just opened up in town. 618, let's turn that frown upside down, baby. Let's see if we can't go steady as we're attempting to break out of the golden pocket. We're asking her out right now. We're popping the question, 618. Vegan and gluten-free. V, G, F. The 3 letters that will win any girl's heart. VGF. Vegan, gluten-free, 618, please. And it tastes good. You can't even tell the difference. All right, they use cashews for cheese. You can't. It tastes like real cheese, 618. I promise it tastes like real cheese. Come on. Come on. We're trying to break. We're trying to break. See, it's a mind game with 618, right? We're trying to play games with her. She doesn't like good guys. She only likes bad guys. So we're trying to act tough. 618. Yeah, I don't care about you, 618. I'm a bad guy. You know? I'm a dang pirate. That's right, 618. You're not into nice guys? Guess what? I ain't a nice guy. I'm a pirate. You know? Here we go, baby. Let's see. How's it going? All right, we're giving it a shot. Vegan and gluten-free pirates, baby. I'm a vegan gluten-free pirate. I'm out there sailing the 7 seas, 618, to find the next vegan gluten-free recipe out there just to make you dinner, girl. I'm going to take you out to the restaurant. $3,000 unrealized profits. We got the VGF. All right, here's what we got to do. All right, here's really what we got to do right now. We got to delete the VGF. All right, delete the VGF. We're going to type it on our chart with a typewriter to make it look more professional. All right, vegan and gluten-free pizza. And we're going to lure her up. All right, this is not creepy at all. We're going to lure 618 up to our next target, which is the vegan gluten-free pizzeria level. All right, the vegan gluten-free pizzeria level. We're going to draw pizza up here. All right, here's the pizza. All right, we're going to cut it into pizza slices here. It looks totally like a pizza. It doesn't look like a nuclear waste symbol. It looks like the pizza. Come on, come on. 618. Yep. We're going to lure her on up. Lure her up like this. 618. All right. It's working, guys. It's working. We have about 7 more minutes, guys, to do the $1,000 giveaway. All right. Here we go. 7 more minutes for everybody to like the stream, and we'll give away $1,000. Shout out to Lauren. That's right. We need a parrot on the shoulder. All right. We need a parrot on the shoulder. Pinoy Viral Clips TV, man. Chill out, bro. Let me at least go out on one date with 618 before you start dumping the dang Bitcoin price. All right. Okay. Here we go. We're starting to get the pump to the upside. We're starting to get the pump. We just need to reclaim this 618. I think we can do it. Let's check out order flow once again here. Okay. Not much happening. Let's check out market Cipher again. Okay, the 1 minute, she's very fickle looking. You can tell she doesn't know what to do. She doesn't really want to go out with us. She knows we're not going to become boyfriend and girlfriend. But maybe it's just one date just to be nice. But then what are people going to think? She's saying to herself, what are my friends going to think? What's Sam Bankman-Fried going to think with his upside down crooked man boobs? You know? All right, here we go. We're attempting it. We're attempting the break. Come on, baby. We're attempting the break. All right, I think we can do it. Yes, we're doing it, baby. We're doing it. Vegan gluten-free, baby. Vegan gluten-free. Vegan and gluten-free. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Yes, we're pumping, baby. Vegan and gluten-free. 618. I knew it. I knew you liked me, girl. Forget about Sam, because now it's time for our love to shine, baby. Here we go. Yeah, this one goes out to 618. The girl who broke my heart, but now she's going out with me. It's our first date, my first date ever. Alright, I used to be an incel, but now I have a first date with 6 Juanita. Oh no, please 6 Juanita, don't change your mind, girl. Don't change your mind. There's a girl, her name is 6 Juanita, and she happens to be vegan and gluten free, and she had my heart from age 3. So I asked her out, and she said, yo, Jason, I don't like you like that. I like you like a brother. Now take off your pirate hat. I said, 6 Juanita, I was thinking maybe we could go get some pizza. She said, Jay, don't you know the bread has gluten? Don't know what you're thinking, you're so stupid. I said, hey 6 Juanita, guess what up? There's a new place for pizza, and it's vegan, and it's gluten free. I was thinking after school you could go there with me. Look, I drew a picture of the pizza. She said, Jason, maybe we could go out to eat, yeah? And then the next thing you know, I'm luring her up with the crypto logo. It says VGF, what the price do next? To the next level, like what the heck? But now, you could tell that she's struggling, can't make up her mind. You know that she's hugging as she looks at her friends, thinking what will they think? Jason Casper is like the kitchen sink, because I just put my stuff inside. Jason Casper likes to trade, but I love to ride to the next vegan pizza place that I see inside. Hopefully the price starts to glide to the upside with the VGF. Got the Bitcoin hanging like up to her old wrist. Got the pizza pie down below in my eye. Now we're getting a rejection, makes me wanna cry. Crap! Can't believe the candles are purple. Bitcoin price got me heartbroken in circles. Jason is a nerd and they think he's like Steve Urkel. Next thing you know, it makes me wanna burp, yo. Got the gas in my belly. The Bitcoin price turning purple just like grape jelly. Put it on the sandwich with the nice peanut butter. 6 Juanita, I love her like no other, but she broke my heart right from the start. I took a long trade, then the price started to dart to the downside. Bitcoin ride, here we go from the 618, right the inside down introspection. We changed the direction, Bitcoin coming down like an opposite direction. Then we come back to the chart, candles turning purple like a horrible work of art, cause it's so dang depressing, a tragedy. Trading Bitcoin, if you know what I mean. We were up 3K, now we're up to 27. Bitcoin price, I wanted it to pump up to heaven, but yo, guess what? You hear the bell, cause the price is going down, straight down to hell. I can't believe it after all we've been through. 6 Juanita, how could you do this to me, girl? When you broke my heart, we're taking long and short trades, looking like art. Got the VGF and the FGV, got the Bitcoin bumping up right to the next C. Yeah, talking about the 786, Bitcoin price about to play her old nasty tricks. Alright guys, this is getting serious, alright? This is getting serious. Alright. Oh man. Alright, we start losing this level. I'm gonna have to FOMO out again. You guys know how it goes. You know how it goes. 6 Juanita. Alright. Dang it. Okay. This is some sad music. Oh no. Bitcoin about to go in and out. I had a smile on my face, but it turned to a pout. Why do you ask? The question haunts me. It takes me back to a girl who's gluten free. Her name was 6 Juanita. Let me tell you, when I saw her, I said, nice to meet you. Let me tell you, hey girl, I think you're so fine. I could see us hanging out for a very long time. Hopefully after school, if you ain't got nothing to do, we could get some pizza. We could act like some fools, super immature, like we're looking for the jewels. On the VGF with the pizza like a duel. But now I don't know what I'm saying. I'm fumbling with my words and the trades are not paying. Cause when I'm on the top, then the price starts to drop. Bitcoin dumping and it really hit the spot. You know, if we come down below the low, I'll have to FOMO out. Let me tell you how it goes. In fact, think I'm about to take maybe 50K, maybe 75K. Hey, yeah, let me take out 50K. Just as we're dumping AA, hooray, cause we locked in a nice 2.5K after taking a loss earlier today. Now all I gotta do is de-risk the Bitcoin price. smelling like piss, cause I thought we were gonna pump high. The Bitcoin price dumped, I started to cry. Now we're gonna pull our fib again. Got a CDW from the last win. If we come down below the 618 to the 786, that's where we begin. Because you know sometimes when we're in a downtrend, we get small bounces, but then we go back again. Make another lower low, down to the low below, to the next level that we see that we get with the crypto flow. Jason Casper, rapping on the treadmill, 3.4 miles per hour, going uphill. Got a book underneath my feet with the crypto price, man. Trades, they be acting like a tree. Yeah, now we're holding right here. Let's take a look at the order flow, my dear. We got the shorts opening up, as you can see on the EXO charts, just between you and me. But hey, we got a little bit of OI. Shorts opening, long stand on the fly, just below the VWAP. Thought we would break it. What you think about that? I had to FOMO out as we're dumping down. Hopefully now we pump. Can you hear the sound? Ka-ting of the cash register as I'm taking all the profits as the Bitcoin pumps to the 7/8s. Can you spot it? Yeah, but now we got the VGF. Bitcoin's about to decide what to do next. Hopefully this is called a bull flag when we break out. Listen to the sound of stags. What's a stag, you ask? I don't even know. But sit back and listen to my crypto flow as I welcome everybody to the J Casper Show. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't you know I'm the best crypto rapper on the whole YouTube? Got that crypto flow, and it's me and you. Okay, that's enough. Alright, I had to FOMO out of this, guys, because you gotta understand from my perspective, I can't be too stupid here, right? We're here to make money after all. Alright, I'm going to close this limit order right now. Alright, I'm going to close that limit order right now. Alright, here we go, baby. So, let's get back to it, alright? Let's get back to the analysis here, okay? We're in the megaphone pattern. Do you think this is a megaphone pattern right here? Some people call it a trumpet, some people call it a bugle. This right here, this larger pattern, yeah, this does kind of look like one of those, doesn't it? It does, yeah. Here we go. Man, that could take us down to another low. So look, if we come down to make another low, which we could here, there's nothing strong about this at all, guys. We really need to reclaim 62.6. Obviously, we're not right now. 60,008, let's say, would be another area where we could come down and get another little bounce. If we're going to continue down today, all right, let's wait and see. All right, look, this is our box. You can see that the box itself, we didn't actually hit the bottom of the box. All right, so finally what we've been waiting for happened. It happened. All right, shout out to Bullish on Parade. He says, more update. Israel says they're going to strike Iran tonight. Turkey is threatening to get involved. This is crazy, guys. Make sure to, I mean, I don't know. It depends on your personality. If you don't like the news, don't pay attention. Unless you live in those areas, in which case you should probably pay attention. Or get out if you can. But, maybe be watching the charts for some crazy volatility. This could be a crazy week. Guys, this is a crazy week. I don't know if anybody knows this, but tomorrow night is Rosh Hashanah. Alright? So it's going to be a very interesting time as we enter into a new biblical year. And things always happen crazy around the biblical calendar, man. So very interesting stuff. Alright? This box right here, we hit a TP on the short. This box right here could still hold for another move to the downside. Be watching, all right? Here we go, baby. Make sure to smash up the likes, guys. Unfortunately, we didn't reach 1,000 likes in the time, but look, guys, I'll set a timer, all right, for 5 minutes. If we can get 1,000 likes in 5 minutes, I'll give away $500, all right? $500 giveaway. Got a 5-minute timer on the cracked iPhone screen. Can you see the cracks? All right. Shout out to Andy, Bitcoin Census, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on in your area, man. But everyone just be safe out there, all right? Whatever the heck is going on, everybody just be safe, all right? Shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census. Guys, make sure to go like and subscribe to Andy. Andy, did you get in a long trade from this level? I know, I haven't watched your channel, but I guarantee you've been looking at this level. Because I just know, man. Alright, shout out to Henok in the active war zone watching the stream. Well, crank it up, man. Crank it up. Alright. Yeah, the new moon is coming. It's coming. The new moon is coming. Too many people keeping too much Bitcoin on exchanges. Yeah, guys, get your Bitcoin off exchanges. Alright, shout out to Alex who made a juicy 30+% on the dump earlier. Alright, Bitcoin is starting to come back down here, guys. Alright, we are starting to come back down. Let's pop on over to our long trade here. Alright, as this is coming back down. Now look, this is a long scalp trade. We're guaranteed right now if we get stopped out, we're going to lose 0.01 Bitcoin. So we're guaranteed for about just like 0.29, a 0.29 Bitcoin profit on this, which is still, you know, that's great. Honestly, that's great. We'll take a 0.29 Bitcoin profit on this trade here if we get stopped out. But so far, guys, we are making another lower high. Not looking the best right now. Not looking the best right now. Okay? Again, the key level we needed to reclaim, 62,625. All right, we had to FOMO out. We were looking to take a profit here, but once we saw this liquidity grab of the high and drop, I had to FOMO out of that $50,000. All right, now we're starting to get the drop. All right, the only hope for Bitcoin right now is a bounce from the Golden Pocket 786 zone. All right, this is the only hope. It's honestly pretty doubtful right now, simply because we couldn't even change market structure locally here, right? We couldn't even take out this local high. We couldn't even do something like this, guys. You know, we did something like that, something like this. Maybe we could have expected a bounce like this, but now it's looking less and less likely here, as Bitcoin is back to looking kind of bearish. This bounce has not had much follow through. A failed bounce, baby. All right. Yeah, I came back on Crypto Pump It. Shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census. You did short 64K zone today. Shout out to Andy. Guys, make sure to go subscribe to Andy. All right. Tiffany wants to know, have I ever gotten enough likes to do the giveaway? Guys, I need the OGs in the channel to tell Tiffany Taylor that Jason Casper always does giveaways. And yes, we do get the likes. All right. We got a 5-minute timer right now. We can do it. All right, we can do it, baby. All right, here we go. All right, shout out to Cryptorian. He says, nice short, Andy. I took that trade with you, homie, and it's going great. And Andy says, Cryptorian BTC is epic. Shout out to Jagadish OP. I completely completed the course. That's what's up, man. You're up $250 on a $1,000 demo. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right. All right. Oh, you're new to the community. Yeah, that's why I'm letting people know. Look, we do the giveaways. I don't play. I'm the most serious Bitcoin YouTube trader TA guy out there. The most serious one. Okay? Well, I don't play. Yeah, we do the giveaways. We do the giveaways. Come on, guys. We only need 81 more likes. 81 more likes. And we have 46 seconds. 46 seconds, guys. 41 seconds. All right, 41 seconds to get the likes. Let's get the likes, baby. Let's get the likes. We need 70 more. Come on, we have 30 seconds. Hurry. Hurry, guys. Hurry. Oh, my goodness. This is more sensational than the dang Bitcoin price, as we're sinking down through the levels. All right, let's see how she's looking here. The Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price. Guys, we need 31 more likes. 30 more likes. 29 more likes. Come on, y'all. Oh, people giving thumbs down. You guys are stealing money from other people. Oh, my goodness. Thumbs downers. Okay, we did it. Congratulations, guys. We're going to do a $500 giveaway this stream. Congratulations. We did it. We did it. We did it. Man, that's absolutely amazing. Whew. Exhilarating, I do say. Super exhilarating. This is so dang exhilarating. Whew, man. All right, we're doing a $500 giveaway. Congrats, guys. Congrats. All right. All right, Bitcoin dumping. Bitcoin dumping. All right. I need a vegan pirate ship. I do need a vegan pirate ship that has consumed no meat. The trees, all trees are vegan, so all ships are vegan because they're made out of wood. All right. All right, stop spamming the chat, guys. We're not doing the giveaway right this second, all right? We're only going to do the giveaway once you guys stop spamming the chat, all right? So, let's get back to this Bitcoin price. All right, we do need to be aware of a CDW, so let's do some fresh analysis, okay? 2 places to be aware of. Hang on. Okay, just checking. 2 places to be aware of right now, guys. Place number 1 is going to be simply making another. This is a high risk area. All right, high risk area is making a higher low, something like this. That's high risk because we haven't done anything bullish yet. All right, second area of interest is going to be taking out the low. Taking out the low. Whoops. I deleted my VWAP instead of my line. Taking out the low into the golden pocket to do something like this. Right? And if we take a look at our 12-minute here. Let's take a look at it. Ooh. The money flow doesn't look nice, guys. It just doesn't look nice. Man. Sheesh. Bitcoin. All right. Okay. Well, we're hanging on in. We're bouncing right now locally from the 382 fib. That's why we're getting a blue candle here. No pivot in price happens randomly, guys. Right now, this 1 minute candle is purely because we came down to the 382 fib retracement. All right, look at that. Bam! A little bit of a move to the upside. All right, we lose the 382. Then we're coming back down to the 618. All right, we're coming back down to the 618. Bitcoin price not looking so great. Coming back down to the 618. Got the Bitcoin price not looking too great. All right. All right, looks kind of good. I think we're all right. I think we're all right. All right, J-Boy Boy, shout out to you with the hammer, bro. All right, looks like we're back. All right, awesome. All right, guys, we are going to do a giveaway All right. But before we do the giveaway, all right, I have to go pee. I can't do a giveaway on a full bladder. So watch the stream. All right. Watch it for me. Make sure I don't get liquidated, and we'll be right back. All right. All right, we're back, y'all. We are back. And you know what time it is, guys? It's time to do a dang giveaway. We're going to give away $500. All right, $500. So here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to give away $500. All right. We're going to go ahead and do a giveaway. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to count down from 10. And if your name is highlighted when I take a screenshot, then you win. All right. Let's make sure we're on all chat and not just top chat. Live chat. All right. Look at this, man. This is crazy. This is crazy, man. All right. You guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? Now, look, if you win, here's the order of operations. If you win, I'm going to make you a moderator, and then you post your Tether address after you're a moderator. You can't post your Tether address without being a moderator because it will block your address. So make sure you have your USDT address ready. All right, make sure you have your USDT address ready. Okay? Make sure it's ready. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we have our winner. Our winner is, shout out to our winner, Fox Makes Gains. Fox Makes Gains. Fox Makes Gains. Congratulations, Fox Makes Gains. All right, Fox Makes Gains. I need you to post something in the chat, Fox Makes Gains, and I'm going to make you a moderator, then you post your USDT Tether address. All right, Fox Makes Gains. Congratulations, Fox. Congratulations, Fox Makes Gains. Fox is making those gains. Fox. Like a red fox. All right, like a red fox. All right. Fox, Fox, Fox. Makes gains. Was Crypto Face in here trying to win? All right, where's Fox? Come on, Fox. Say something. We're looking for the Fox. That sly old Fox. All right, I see you. I see a fake Fox Makes Gains. All right, where's the real Fox Makes Gains? I got you, man. All right, I'm going to make you a mod. I'm going to... Now, Fox Makes Gains. Go ahead and post your address, all right? Go ahead and post your address. Go ahead and post your address, Fox Makes Gains. Shout out to Crypto Face for the super chat. Crypto Face, I didn't even see you super chat, bro. I'm so sorry. Shout out to CryptoFace. He says, hey, Billy. Yo, CryptoFace, what's going on, my man? Thank you so much for stopping by the stream, CryptoFace. I really appreciate you, man. CryptoFace has been crushing the trades lately. Long last night, shorted this morning. Dude is just on a streak. All right, he's on a streak. Shout out to CryptoFace. All right, I see you. Fox makes gains. I'm about to post the about to send you the money, man. All right, Fox makes gains. Fox makes gains. Here we go. We got our short and we got our long, baby. All right, we got our short and our long, and I'm gonna send Fox makes gains the money. Shout out to CryptoFace. If you're not subscribed to CryptoFace, you have to. I don't know why you wouldn't be subscribed if you're on my channel, but if by any chance you're not, make sure to go subscribe to CryptoFace. All right, Fox makes gains. We're gonna send you over 500, man. We're about to send you over 500 smackaroni and quesos. Ain't nothing like some nice queso, honestly. I love queso. Raw queso, fresh from the goat. Fresh from the goat udder. Assuming that's a dress. All right, shout out to Fox Makes Gains. All right, Fox Makes Gains. $500 sent successfully. Congratulations. May God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, shout out to Bernie. He was close to winning. Shout out to Duke. Shout out to Live Wild. He says goat milk is amazing. Yeah, goat milk is amazing. All right, the raw goat milk, that's where it's at. All right. People ask, Jason, are you natural? My question to them is, if you consider raw goat milk natural, then yes. But if you consider raw goat milk a performance-enhancing drug, then no. They're like, Jason, how can you walk on the treadmill all day? Naturally. The truth is, guys, it's because of the raw goat milk. The raw goat milk will give you the energy you need to walk on the treadmill all day. All right? Shout out to Fox Makes Gains. God bless you, man. May Jesus bless you. All right. Pow says that's a no. Come on, guys. How many streams do we have to take a poll whether or not Jason's natural? Do I look unnatural? Does this look unnatural to you guys? Let me know. Natural or enhanced? I mean, honestly though, sometimes I wonder myself. What do you guys think? Someday I will win, says Zen. But when that day comes, I probably won't need the money. Although I'm having a baby in January, I will always need the money. Unless I make $1 million within 3 months. Well, it's possible, Zen. It's possible to make that kind of money in 3 months. And may God bless your baby coming in January. All right? All right. Did I finally get goats? Not yet, but I am getting goats very soon. For now, I get my raw goat milk from a local raw milk goat farm. All right. Frankie Candles is more jacked than me. That's true. Especially his calves. I look unnaturally small on screen, says Duke. There you go. Unnaturally small. Yeah, every man should do push-ups, all right? If you're a man and you're not doing push-ups every single day, at least 100 push-ups a day, you're failing, all right? At least 100 push-ups every day. At least. All right. Bitcoin taking a dump, guys. Coming back down to our box of support. We lose this purple box, guys, and we are coming down much lower. Oh, man, this is some scary stuff. This is some scary, scary stuff, guys. I'll tell you. Let's come back to TradingView and talk about how scary it is. All right, why are we talking about how scary it is? Well, because as YouTubers, we're either extremely excited or we're extremely scared. Those are the only two emotions YouTubers have, especially if they're in the crypto space. People think we're doing it on purpose to get views and clicks. But the reality is, the type of personality it takes to have a YouTube channel in crypto, you can only have 2 emotions. If you ever notice, the only successful YouTube crypto channels, the people only have 2 emotions, excited or scared. There's no in between, there's nothing else. It's a strange personality condition, clinically diagnosed, all right? The only solution to it is licking a plunger, which does help me sometimes to relax. But look, now we're going to talk about why we're so scared. Let's pop on over to TradingView, all right? Let's see, the daily. Let's remove everything. Let's remove everything. It is a new month, October. Let's start on the monthly, actually. Start on the monthly. Man, you know, I'll be honest with you. I'll never forget the August candle where I said I just don't think the high is in, because it's very strange to open a candle with a tiny wick like that on the monthly. Same with this candle. It doesn't look like the monthly high is in, to be honest with you. Not at all. So, let's go now to the 4 hour. And let's just look at the local range. All right, this is really all the price action I care about right here. The local range. All right, we're going to look at this. So, here's the deal. Now that we're underneath value area high, unless we actually hold this box that I've shown on my screen before, which is this key support resistance right here, right? Like literally, unless we hold this, we are coming down to 59, which is the high volume node, and it just makes the most sense that we'll make our way back down toward this area right here, between 57.5 and 59, right? We don't hold this box, and we're coming back down to the value area low of 55, and the reality is, guys, if we're coming back down to 55, that is not very bullish. That is not very bullish. That is simply us trading this range and getting another rejection from the highs, and potentially now we could make another macro low, right? You guys see how the whole bullish hypothesis from August 5th was low, high, higher, low. We're hoping for a real strong higher high, which still, in my opinion, is possible. If we hold this area, then it's still possible. But if we're not going to hold the area, then now we're starting to look more bearish, and down here looks very bearish. And then it just makes the most sense that we would eventually come and take this low again, right? Just being honest, okay? I hate to be honest, but that's just the reality of the situation, all right? Let's take a look at all the volume here. Now, this isn't going to happen quick, guys. This is literally over a half year of price action, right? Half year of price action. But look at this. We're now trading once again below the point of control. So unless we consolidate here, like unless this range holds, the support holds, then it starts to look really bad once we start to lose 59K. Now we're breaking down to the range again. And then, you know, we do have to be aware of this potential scenario, which is the following, right? $40,000-ish to $43,000 confluence, just the next major area here. And this weekly time frame, I really think the end of this week, which is probably going to be a bearish week based on the daily, if we start printing a red dot on the weekly, man, that could take us down pretty far for the next few weeks, right? So last time we printed that red dot tight to the 0 line, that was the beginning of the move that brought us down 31%. Right, so if we come down from where we're at to that area, that's going to be 31%, right? And then, of course, this is the juicy potential long of the bull market, in my opinion. By the way, guys, if you want to trade on BLOFIN, BLOFIN is giving 10% cash back right now. It's a great deal. All right. Also, JasonCasperTrading.com, White Phoenix, one of the instructors in the Casper crew, is offering a 1-year anniversary coupon for his course. A great deal on the White Casper course, White Phoenix course. JasonCasperTrading.com. Go to the courses page. This is the most comprehensive trading course I have ever seen. I'm not just saying that. I really mean that. Over 90 videos of content. If you're a complete noob, this will teach you everything you need to know to actually start to be profitable. And you also get access to a secret Discord with live streams and all that kind of stuff. So make sure, if you're interested in really getting serious about trading, to check out this great deal. JasonCasperTrading.com. Use the coupon code 1 year anniversary. All right. Here's the code. Number 1 YR anniversary. All right, to get the juicy discount. All right, Bitcoin dumping. We're coming down to the 618. Coming down to the 618 now, baby. Can you get the White Casper course? I don't know if there is the White Casper course. What else do we have to talk about? Well, we do have to talk about good old MEXC, best deal on fees. Also, link in the pinned comment in the chat and the description of the video. Market Cipher, marketciphertrading.com. And I think that's about it. Casper Crew VIP Discord. Casper Crew VIP Discord. If you go to jasoncaspertrading.com to join the best trading community in the world. I think that's all I have to shill. Jay Shillington. Jay Shillington, baby. $60K looks good support on the 4-hour. Shout out to Chris. He remembers my channel when I was only at 130,000 subs. I know, now I'm at 1 million. It's amazing how quick that happened. I can't believe it. Thank you to everybody who got me up to 1 million subscribers. I really appreciate that. 300,000 in the last month. I could never have imagined this happening. Shout out to y'all. All right, shout out to y'all. Ammo is greater than assets percent gained over the next 10 years. What do you mean? Ammo is an asset. Ammo is an asset, man. Ammo is an asset. A good one, too. It's a good asset to have. All right. Well, how about geopolitics Middle East? It's a mess, man. You know, it's a mess. What are we going to say about it? It's a mess. It's sad. You know, war is a horrible thing. People die. It's crazy how humanity just likes to kill each other, you know? It's crazy. And what's the most sad part about it is most people just want to live their life in peace. But then a few people make it really tough for everybody else to do that, right? It's a shame, but that's the human condition. The human condition, we are sinful. We have a disease called sin that entered into humanity. And the only solution to it is Jesus. That's the only solution. So, it's a spiritual condition with a spiritual remedy. It's not going to be fixed by means of anything else. No amount of wars, no amount of politicians, no amount of policies, no amount of hashtags and stupid people with their signs in other countries that have nothing to do with the actual geopolitical issues going on. It's not going to fix anything, right? Only Jesus can fix it. Gog and Magog, says Dome Life. Yeah, maybe. A little Ezekiel 38, 39 action. We'll have to wait and see, you know? We'll have to wait and see. Shout out to Multi Muffin. Jesus is the only thing that makes sense out of this existence. I agree. I agree. Alright, shout out to Radio Gaio. Shout out to Nirvana Republic. Shout out to Lauren. That's so funny, Lauren. That's so funny. Alright, well, Bitcoin's drooping on down to our entry. Alright, drooping on down. Drooping on down. Shout out to Patricia. All right, we're dripping on back down. Let's check out I'm going to keep this short trade open on the screen, but I'm going to have order flow on the small screen there. All right. Let's pop over to order flow. See what's happening here. Let's take a look. Just a decrease of open interest. This is not like a... Right now, this is just low volume chop. This is not any serious dumpage yet. We still have some longs that have opened up here that are underwater, which makes me think those longs are going to get squeezed. Because we have a lot of longs that opened up at about 61,840, I think, right? 61? Yeah, 61,840. And they are currently underwater by 200 bucks. So it looks like we're going to squeeze the rest of those longs before another decision is made here. Let's go ahead and pull the local fib once again here. I know this is a very small screen for you guys, but I'm just going to pull it for my own benefit here. All right, so we're bouncing a little bit from the Fibonacci 618. Let's check it out. A little bounce from the Fib 618. All right, little bounce from the Fibonacci 618. Look at that, 618 to the dollar. Getting a little bounce right there. You guys see that? This could be the only hope for the Bitcoin is the 618. Could it still go down? Of course it could still go down. Anything's possible, guys. Super of Urtas. Anything's possible, all right? You hope all is well with me and my protruding bunions. Man, they are protruding, man. I'll tell you, I walk this much on the treadmill barefooted. I don't wear shoes on the treadmill. Trust me. The bunions are protruding. All right? The bunions are protruding. Wow, look at that. The 618. Here we go, baby. Now, this 618 is only going to be a valid bounce if we can make a higher high. So if we make a higher high, I'm going to add a little bit more to the long trade to give my entry at the 618. And then we'll take out even more profits here. Let's see how she goes. Basically, my plan is this. If we manage to come up here, I'm going to add a little bit more to the trade and then take some more profits immediately so that I can keep my position size $100,000 but make over $3 grand on the trade. That's my current trading plan for this open long. Liv says max pain incoming on the high and the low side. Yeah, I mean, yeah. So we got to expect crazy moves. I mean, especially if there's crazy geopolitical stuff going on, you know. If it was not for bad news, this market would be so ready to pump. I don't know if I agree. I don't know if I agree. Do I walk duck-footed? I walk, one foot is duck-footed, one foot is pigeon-toed. So my feet are always in a parallel channel. My feet are always in a parallel channel like this. My left foot is duck-footed, and my right foot is pigeon-toed. So my feet are always like this, which helps me trade. Because when you're in a descending parallel channel, you know to long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, and it goes right in the rhythm with the treadmill. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. Long, short. Market long, market short. Market long, market short. Yeah, the fees kill you. That's what causes the bunions. All those dang market fees. Every time you long, left foot, right, short foot. Long, short. Bunions popping all over the place, baby. Look at this 618. Look at that. Just a few longs. People long in the 618. People long in the 618. These people know I was kissing Jerome Powell yesterday. I don't know if I would call that kissing, all right? I don't know if I would call that kissing, all right? Jagdash, I don't think you're in timeout, bro. I can see you. Shout out to Trader Boy. Shout out to... There must be a deviation to that channel. No, there's no deviation. It causes massive muscular imbalances as well. It can even lead to a condition known as uneven butt cheeks. It can lead to a condition known as uneven butt cheeks. All right. All right. All right, all right, all right, all right. Shout out to Big Gucci Polo. Go, Big Gucci Polo. Sorry for mispronouncing your name, man. All right. Well, guys. Should we sing the pump song? Should we sing the pump song? If not, there's not much else to talk about. It's some boring price action. I was really hoping we'd get some kind of crazy move today. That's why I went live again. I was thinking we were gonna pump or dump or something crazy. But no. The fact that I went live is why we're doing nothing. Alright, shout out to Liv heading off to the golf course. Smoke a nice cigar at the golf course. Make sure to relax. Alright, no pump song. TV says no. Alright. No pump song then. Oh wait, Rumble Rom says yes. Alright, we'll sing the pump song. We'll see what we can do. Alright, let's see what we can do. I don't even know if I'm feeling the pump song, man. Michael Harris, you didn't get the notification I was live? Well, we already took profits on the long, so I mean, this 618 is a make it or break level here. 62.6 is still the level. We hold above 62.6. We can see 64.5, all right? We got to hold above 62.6 first. But right now, you know, bouncing from the golden pocket. Let's see what happens. Shout out to Crypto Carnage. We did 2 freestyles in the beginning. We did 2 freestyles. We already even did a pump song earlier today. Guys, I think we've done 4 freestyles and a pump song in 24 hours, and I don't even know if I have anything left in me. I'll be honest. I don't know if I have anything left in me. Is there a short the dip song? Nah, but there should be. There should be. Alright. Alright. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the stream then, alright? Wait, should I end it? No, I shouldn't end it. We're getting a pump. Alright, we gotta sing the pump song. We'll sing the dang pump song, alright? Let's go. Let's pump this Bitcoin. Alright, let's pump the Bitcoin. Here we go, baby. This is the pump song, guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. Alright. We gotta get on our Pikachu hats. We gotta get our plunger microphones. We gotta get our monocles on to inspect things. Here we go, baby. We gotta come up above this blue line first, alright? Here we go, baby! Let's pump! Here we go! We're about to pump it. Here we go. We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump, baby! Here we go! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump! We're gonna dump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! Alright. Sometimes it has a delayed effect. Let's pump! Inspect the price action. Come on, Bitcoin. I think we can do it. I'm 50-50 actually. I don't know, but let's pump it, baby. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. Yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. All right, I'm sorry you're short, Lauren, but let's see. On the 1 minute time frame, the pump song's trying its best to pump above the blue line, but we're getting a rejection. Oh no. We just need a little bit more power here. Bam, bam, bam. You know? Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Shout out to Aphrodite LJ. We might, Lauren, we might. We're gonna pump, no we're gonna dump. Uh-oh. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. We're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump right now. All right. Whoops.
Oh na na na.
Ooh, what's this?
Oh na na na. Oh na na na. Oh na na na.
Oh na na na, baby. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Let's pump it. Yeah. Here we go, Bitcoin. Here we go. Here we go, Bitcoin. Here we go. Here we go, Bitcoin. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Bitcoin got the pump. Purple candles only turning blue. Yeah. Bitcoin got the pump. Purple candles only turning blue. Here we go, Bitcoin about to pump. Hopefully the purple candles don't dump. Here we go, Bitcoin about to dump. Hopefully the purple candles don't pump. Here we go, Bitcoin about to pump to the yellow trend line, and we're not gonna dump. Here we go, Bitcoin out the pump to the purple candles. Hopefully we don't slump. Yeah, now we're coming back down. The Bitcoin price driving all over town. Got the purple candles, now they're turning blue. As Bitcoin about to show you what she's gonna do. Then we get a quick wick right up high to the 786, and it makes me cry. Bitcoin lick band, what you gonna try? But she's back to her old tricks, ain't gonna lie. Cause we took a long right from the bottom. Now we're pumping up, can you even spot them? Oh nah nah nah, what I'm saying. The Bitcoin price, the trades they be paying. You know J Cash, but your boy ain't playing. Here we go, blue candle, hear what I'm saying. About to reach a new all-time high. Now the Bitcoin price about to bump to the sky. Yeah, Bitcoin about to pump. Bitcoin is not gonna dump. Here we go. Bitcoin about to pump. Bitcoin is not gonna dump. Yeah, got the candle turning blue. Bitcoin gonna show you what she's gonna do. Yeah. We got the candle turn purple. Jason got her like a nerve, just like Steve Urkel. Here we go, the Bitcoin price purple. Got me running around in the circles. Bitcoin about to pump in the miracle. Then we dump it back down to the turtle. Yeah, Bitcoin about to pump. Let me show you that she's not gonna dump. We got the build up with the beat going fast. As the Bitcoin about to pump straight to the grass. Yeah, now we're coming up higher. The Bitcoin price is about to be on fire. Yeah, as we're hitting a new high. The Bitcoin price is about to fly. Yeah. I don't even know what to say now. All right? I don't even know what to say. Man, that was hype. That was hype. We're going to have to add this to the repertoire. All right? We're going to have to add this to the repertoire. All right? Sheesh. All right, shout out to our super chats. Just another guy. He says, check Doge. All right, we'll check Doge. Let's get some music on, though. All right, let's check out Doge from my man, Just Another Guy. All right. Well, this was the excuse me. This was the Doge long that we were looking at from back on Monday, September 9th, guys. So we gave back most of it in the last day. Sheesh, man. Look at this. Monday, September 9th. And now we gave back most of it. So look, here's the deal with all these altcoins, guys. Very contingent upon Bitcoin. We are rejecting from value area high. So we expect some kind of resistance here. If we can hold above 12 cents, then it's possible to come up to 17 cents. But so far, this is a pretty harsh rejection. But we still have bullish market structure. So we made our low, we made our high, we made our higher low, we made our higher high. So now what we could do is we could pull our fib, low to high. And really, we can see we definitely don't want to lose 10 cents. That's the golden pocket. We lose 10 cents, and it's looking a little bit bad here. All right? Looking a little bit bad here. All right, shout out to Nanya, who says, be safe, be ready, in Jesus' name, amen, amen, amen. May God bless everybody, all right? All right, may God bless everybody, all right? May God bless everybody in Jesus' name. Look, things are getting crazy out there, guys. And the world is going to stay crazy. The world is going to stay crazy because mankind is fallen, right? We have a disease called sin. But the good news is that although man is fallen and separated from God, God himself desired relationship with us and loved us so much that he condescended down. He took on flesh and died for the penalty of our sin that we deserved. The penalty that separated us from God. And he defeated death because after 3 days he rose again from the dead. Showing that the curse of the repercussions of sin has been defeated by God himself. Now, if we put our trust and our faith in him, he promises to fill us with his Holy Spirit, cause us to be born again, cause us to be a new creation, no longer a sinful, depraved human being, but a regenerated new creation, being conformed into the very image of our Creator. And now we have the hope of eternal life and a physical bodily resurrection from the dead, where we get to exist in a state that mankind was originally created to live in. This is the solution to all the problems that we see going on right now in the world. And there's no other solution out there, right? This is the solution that God has provided for all humanity. So I know not everyone believes that. That's fine. But for me, the most important thing in my life is my relationship with Jesus, because he has caused me to be a new creation. A completely changed person. If you had seen me 10 years ago, you wouldn't even recognize me, all right? That being said, guys, I love each and every one of you. I mean that. I'm going to end the stream. So peace, guys. See you tomorrow.